Charlie's got my lipstick again. Oh. Wow. Let me see you.
Cheese.
Wow. You look smashing. I think that's enough. Charlie, that's enough. Let me see you.
Good. Are you laughing?
Yes. Why do you think I'm laughing? Because...
You laughing.
Oh, can you get any on your lips?
I did.
You did? Are you sure? Because I think you missed them.
Yeah.
Look in the mirror. Try it again. Try to get your lips. Just your lips. Yeah. Okay. You want to take it off?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
Where did you find that lipstick? Charlie, where'd you find the lipstick?
yeah.
Okay.
Where's it go? Where's it go? Where's it go?
Where does what go?
This.
The lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
You think it's time for us to clean up your face?
Mm-hmm.
No? Okay.
Make this up.
Look at your sister, Cooper.
Okay.
Charlie, look at Cooper. Show Cooper your face. Turn around and look at...
Too much.
Too much, right? Okay.
There's too much.
Yeah.
Where's Cooper?
You're standing next to me. If you want to go stand next to Charlie, you'll be in the video. Hi. Say cheese.
Cheese.